Good morning, traders. Hope y'all out here hustling. All right, so for the gap scan, we got a couple buyouts. So don't get fake out. We see AKUS and AVEO. Um, AKUS up almost 90%, AVEO up about 40%. But those are buyouts. So we don't want to get too expensive in there. Don't want to spend too much money because they're going to flatten out at whatever the purchase price was. So the thing I'm checking out right now that looks decent is RMED. We already got it up on the screen here. And what the heck was the news on RMED? Was there any news? So medical stock. I don't see anything bad. No buyouts. They raised some money through completing a facility yesterday, something like that. Whatever. But we're coming up on 2 million shares of volume. It's a low float stock. Um, yeah, it could do something. Let's go to the daily real quick. Yikes. Yeah, let's watch out for this 9 EMA at 571. That's probably gonna act as a ceiling right there. But as long as it's got a volume, see if we can at least get some scalps on it at a minimum. We already got it pulling back. It bounced right off the 9. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on this one. Um, Other than that, I'm not seeing anything that I would call a gapper. Of course, I'll keep Lace on watch. What did I trade yesterday? Was it ILAX? INPX? INPX. What happened there yesterday? Oh, so it held 8. I think I got out. When did I get out? I just don't like sitting in this chair all day. Let's pull up my executions. Man, I don't know why that never works. Probably got it on this other chart right here. There we go. Yeah, so my best exit yesterday was 833. Oh, I don't know. I keep an eye on it. See if we get some continuation. I'm definitely not saying trade this, but I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. But yeah, I mean it's still early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. I don't even know if I'll post this really. So yeah. All right, I'm done. All right, YouTube. Brand new recap. We got grinded. All right, so our top gapper failed gloriously on us. That was RMED, and didn't cut our losses early. And then we got flushed on. Let's see if TradingView has that flush. It was nasty. It was nasty. Get kind of out of the open. It's probably this guy right here. Where are? This don't look quite right, but I think this one right here. That was probably it. And RMED just failed, never really recovered, and I was too heavy. So I lost a boatload of money on that dude and just never really got into a good rhythm today. Let's go back. Um, ATXI, I was in it at the wrong times. Lace, had no business being in that one. It wasn't on any scanners or anything, wasn't really moving. Oh, that's what's wrong. Let's put the date in here. Today the 18th. Filter that. Yeah, it was just trending down all day. It was just wasn't a good reason to get in there. Oh, I got in the pre-market. I really wish they would add pre-market support. I might get another log just for pre-market stuff. And then yeah, like today the small caps, I just couldn't really get with it. DWAC popped up on the scanner. I got in a small size. KPRX, I traded halfway decent. In fact, let's just go over to Thinkorswim. And we just followed it on the VWAP a little bit after it was probably on the scanner right here. Yeah, first entry was at 8:15-ish, 8:35. And we just scalped it on up as usual. Got a nice exit at 10:39. That probably wasn't the whole position. That was 100 shares. Yeah, I was a little heavy today. That's what happens when you go down. You start increasing size. So a little revenge trading for me. That could have got bad, but I managed to eat away at my losses a little bit. So that was probably our only good trade. And then what else did we trade? Q1RX, I got a little bit. And then it was just like a dead day. Like I ended up going over to large caps. Um, jumped back in RMED that just never recovered. Let's flip these RMED trades. They were just bad. Okay. So here's that flush we were talking about. Like from 720 to 7, about a 20-cent flush. And I was in at 740. So yeah, this one right here just murdered me. And shouldn't have been in it. Like, there's nothing there. Like, was hoping it had bottomed out. And actually, look, it probably faked me out. Because, nah, I just never should have been there in it. Like, it was untrustworthy all day. Then it really just went sideways all day. So it was nothing here. And I got 8 up on that. And then the then I started trading Tesla, which is, I mean, I had to use up all my margin, which I don't like doing because it's so expensive, but I needed something that was actually moving. So I kind of call it this double bottom right here, and Tesla had volume, so I just started buying these dips up, and I was able to cut into my losses on the day. And at this point, I kind of wrapped it up. I thought about coming back for Power Hour, and I should have come back for Power Hour. Probably could have got another $100 or $200 on Tesla, but it was just one of those days. Oh, I traded a little bit of CCL. I should have traded it a lot more because I just didn't have any faith in it, and just made this nice move right here. Like somebody had called it out. I was like, who the hell is this guy? Like, I didn't know the person, and I think it was this move right here. They called it out, and I was just waiting for it to pull back to the view app, and it never did it. So this could have been a few bucks right here, and I had to keep an eye on it. Like I didn't even check the news or anything. Like what's going on with CCL? But today was just a crap day. Wasn't getting a lot of volume, a lot of flushes. Like I got to the point where I was trigger shy. I was just worried about getting flushed on stuff. So so whatever. Tomorrow we'll tighten up a little bit. Um, we know it's not a insurmountable loss, but I've really been only trying to get $100 a day. So hopefully by the end of the week, we got this erased and we got a little bit of green. But oh, and we were up. What were we up yesterday? Yeah, only like $100 yesterday, I think. Yeah, let's clear that. Yesterday it was green, 105. So we're down 200 bucks on the week, and that's what really matters. You want to be green come Saturday, you know. So we can clean this up, but same old thing. Like I didn't really focus on anything today, and I'm just losing money. So I probably need to keep the number of stocks I trade under like six. That's probably like my sweet spot. And then yeah, we'll just fix it tomorrow. Don't get no, don't start out the gate on no horrible trades, and just take the base hit. But that's what happened today. Um, don't beat myself up over it. Clean it up and come back tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys. Shoot me a like. Peace.